Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about selection sort. Selection sort is one type of internal sorting that is we use for smaller amount of elements. So let's consider the elements as same thing as we did for the bubble sort. 2 4 1 3 5 array of 5 elements. So let's take it as in an arrow like 2 4 1 3 5 0 1 2 3 4. So selection sorting, what we do, comparing a of 0 with a of 1. Compare, scan the database from left to right and compare a of 0 with a of 1. So 2 4, is 2 greater than 4? No. Is 2 greater than 4? No. So no swapping. Swapping not required. So again we will check with a of 0 with a of 2. In bubble sort we compare a of 0 with a of 1, again 1 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4. But here we will compare the first element with all the elements. So a of 0 with 1 compare. Now a of 0 with 2 we will compare. A of 0 with a of 2. Is 2 greater than 1? Yes. So we need to swap. So we need to swap the elements. So 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are swapped. Now if we don't, if there is no swapping, so we will compare a of 0 with all the elements and we'll go. If any swapping occurs, then again we have to start from the a of 0 and we have to compare with all the elements. So again we start comparing with a of 0 with a of 1. Is 1 greater than 4? No. So no swapping. Again a of 0 with a of 2. Is 1 greater than 2? No. So no swapping. Again a of 0 with a of 3. That is 1 greater than 3? No. So no swapping. Again a of 0 with a of 4. Is 1 greater than 5? No. So no swapping. So 0 element we compare with all the elements. So finally what we get, 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. Are the elements swapped? We need to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how it is written like 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. So after completion of one iteration also, these are not swapped. So now we will go with iteration 2. Iteration 2. In iteration 2 what we do, as we got the 1 as small element, we will take out the 1 separately and we will take these 4 elements separately. 4, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will compare this a of 1 with all the elements as we did here. So compare a of 1 with a of 2. 4 greater than 2? Yes. So swap. After swapping, 2, 4, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I already told that if swapping occurs, we need to check from a of 1 again. So again a of 1 with a of 2. 2 greater than 4? No. So a of 1 with a of 3. 2 greater than 3? No. So again a of 1 with a of 4. That is 2 greater than 5? No. We compared the first element with all the elements. So finally 1 0 1 0 2 4 3 5 is resulted 1. But are the elements swapped? Are the elements swapped? No. The elements are not yet swapped. So again we go with iteration 3. But we got to know that the element 2 is smaller. So we will take out this 1 and 2 elements out. We will do with this 4, 3, 5. 2, 3, 4. Now comparing first element with all. A of 2 comparing with A of 3. That is 4 greater than 3? Yes. So we need to swap. After swapping, we get elements as 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. After 3, 4, 5, so as it is swapped, we need to check again from start. That is again A of 2 compare with A of 3. A of 2 compare with A of 3. That is 3 greater than 4? No. Again A of 2 with A of 4. That is 3 greater than 5 or not? No. As we compare with all the elements, after final thing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the elements are swapped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So finally club them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 3 iterations we have found the rearrangement of data. So what we do in selection sort is comparing the first element with all the elements. And if any swap occurs, then again we have to compare with first element with all the elements. In this way, we do the selection sorting. So in the next tutorial, we are going to learn about insertion sorting. So if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and please click on the bell icon so that you will get to know about the new videos which we upload. Thank you.